Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain the human digestive system. Let us start. This is the picture which is shown, and this is the human digestive system. Here you can see all the parts and the names are mentioned. So it starts with the oral cavity. Here we will take the food inside, and here we can chew in the mouth, and through the mouth it passes through the esophagus. Here you can see the esophagus. Next, mouth, which is also called as the buccal cavity, and the esophagus is a food pipe. Whenever you take and chew the food through the mouth, and it will passes through the food pipe, and that is the esophagus. And after this esophagus, and the food will comes into the stomach, which is in the J shape. Okay, next, and here you can see the small intestine, and here you can see this is the large intestine. And the length of this small intestine, which is 6 meter long. Okay, and the length of the large intestine is around 1.5 meter. So the length of the small intestine is 6 meter, length of the large intestine 1.5 meter. The name is given as a small intestine because the width of the intestine is too small, and the name is given large intestine to the large intestine because the width of the large intestine is large. And here you can see the rectum, and the last part is anus part. So I will going to explain the process. So whenever we take the food into the mouth, here we can chew, and after then it passes through the food pipe, that is the esophagus, and then it enters into the stomach. So after it entering into the stomach, then it will passes through the small intestine, and this is the large intestine, and then it finally comes through the anus. Here the food is digested in the stomach. So after the food digested in the stomach, and this is whole part we call up to from the mouth to the anus, we call it as the alimentary canal, which is around 9 meter in length. Okay, which is 9 meter in length. Then, and here there are the two pipes, that is one the food pipe, another one is wind pipe. Whenever we take the food from the mouth, that is enters into the food pipe. It cannot enters the wind pipe, because if it goes to the wind pipe we cannot breathe. So the food pipe is behind the wind pipe. This is the main important part here. And here there is one part called epiglottis. There will be one part which stops the food entering into the wind pipe. Okay, next, and the food passes from the mouth to the stomach through a mechanic called peristaltic movement. A peristaltic movement is whenever a food passes through the pipe, this portion contracts and the remaining portion expand. Here whenever the food enters, this portion is expanded and the remaining portion is contracted. This is called peristaltic movement. What is peristaltic movement? Peristaltic movement is the contraction and the expansion of the walls of the food pipe and the other organs of the digestive system to move the food along the gut, which is called peristaltic movement. And this is the human digestive system. And thank you guys.